You know of anybody that's looking for a home to rent in San Leandro? Well, this 3-bedroom, 1-bath home features a great quiet neighborhood, and it's very close to 580 freeway access. It's freshly painted, the carpets smell great, and you can move in whenever you're ready. If you have a dog or a cat or pets, you're welcome to have them here as well, and they would definitely love the front and back landscape as it has great lawn, including a persimmon and a mandarin fruit tree. So if you want to see this home for yourself, look at my information down below and I'll happily share whatever you'd like to know. Talk to you soon.